Hi, I'm Ella, and today I'm going to take you around Berkeley Way West, home to an institution that has been doing groundbreaking public health work for more than 75 years. So welcome to Berkeley Public Health. We're going to get started on the very first floor of the building, which houses our colloquium, our classroom, our atriums. It also has gender-neutral bathrooms and a family bathroom, as well as a ramp that leads into the building and elevators so you can easily access every floor. While a lot of your classes are going to be here at Berkeley Way West on the first floor, you will still have some courses over at the main UC Berkeley campus just a few blocks away. The curriculum structure here is really cool because you not only have the courses that you absolutely have to take for your graduation requirements, but you also have electives, and you decide which classes, along with your faculty advisor and program manager, are going to be at some of the other concentrations within Berkeley Public Health, or even at the graduate schools within the UC Berkeley campus. So you have access to the breadth and depth of research happening all over UC Berkeley in just your normal public health degree. As you can see here, our classrooms are pretty small, and that's because our graduate school is pretty small. We have about 750 graduate students. 250 of those are a part of our online MPH, and the rest are going to be here with you in the building. Let me show you something cool. In true Berkeley fashion, our students, staff, and faculty take every advantage of this bikeable city. So we have up-to-date facilities so your bike can be secure while you're in class. Worried about the weather? Don't be. We have easily used shower facilities, and you never have to worry about parking. Hi Yuri, it's so good to see you today.
Hi.
As the director of the DREAM office, can you tell us a bit more about what resources current students can expect from the DREAM office?
Yeah, so our current students have the opportunity to join us in summer seminar, which is a pre-orientation week-long full of activities where they get support in biostats. They also get to meet other people who look like them, and they just get a more cohort and warm welcome before the school year starts. And then we also do tutoring services, so support in epidemiology, biostatistics, that all falls within our office. And then today, you're gonna see it, but we have a food pantry. We do a monthly food pantry out of our space, our beautiful building, and it's open to all of our students, and they're welcome to shop it, grab as much as they need, and this happens once a month.
Awesome, thank you so much. We're gonna go check it out.
Perfect, welcome.
Berkeley Way West is home to a lot of different graduate schools, not just the School of Public Health. We also have the School of Education, the School of Psychology. So you're in this building with other graduate students who are just as serious about their studies as you are. Now we're going to walk through the Graduate Student Lounge where you can study, relax, meet with your study groups, or maybe take a nap, whatever you're going to use it for. It's a student space just for you. Now we're on the second floor in Suite 2220, where a lot of our student support services team are located. But before we walk around the suite, I would like to introduce you to two important people during your student journey with us. On the left, I have Che Abram.
Hi.
And on the right, I have Quinn Hussey.
Hey everybody.
So now let's walk around the suite and meet some of the other important members of our team here. Career and Leadership Office. Hey, Sarah. Here you can expect support through your field experience and those next steps towards your career. Bye, everyone.
Hi.
We're finally on the fifth floor, where a lot of the minds behind Berkeley Public Health are located. Sorry, I'm gonna talk a little quieter now. I wanna be mindful of the fact that this is a workspace for students, but the 5th floor is more than just office spaces and conference rooms. As you can see behind me, it's also booths and focus rooms and huddle rooms, all used by our students to get their work done. Now we're entering my very favorite place in the building, the 5th floor terrace, which is located right next to the dean's office. As you can see, we have planters full of herbs which are lovingly maintained by the community. This is my very favorite place to have lunch in the summertime. It can also be reserved by students for events. It's also oftenly used by staff and faculty for the events. And that's our tour of Berkeley Public Health. Thank you so much for joining as I took you around the building. Again, my name is Ella, and this is where I work. So if you find yourself at Berkeley Way West, come by and say hello.